All right. Hi. Yeah. All right, come on in, chicken dancers, come on in if you would. All right, respecting each other in their competition. Good job, guys. Thank you very much. Stay in your regalia. As soon as we know about the ties, we'll let you all know. Chicken dancers, come on in. First song, Sharpshooter. Second song, High Noon. Get your songs ready, boys. These guys are champions, right? Champion. Okay, Jay's looking for another judge. Stay with us, kind of hang with us, boys. Got to get our judges in place. Oh, man. Kind of winding down. Stand by. Right after this, we're going to ask the men's traditional to be ready. Men's chicken dance. And then, of course, that'll wrap up our competition dancing as well as our competition singing. So, again, I'd like to say a great big thank you to all the dance judges, all the singing judges. Yeah, let's see this guy. What you got going, Jay? You ready to go? Oh, he's still hunting for a judge. Hold on, dancers, if you would. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah. I'll pick him, man. I'll pick him. Okay, dancers are ready, judges are ready. Sharpshooter, chicken dance style, please.
Round of applause, song number one, people. Men adult chicken dancers. Walk around out there. We're going to hit across the arena. Song number two, High Noon. Ron and the boys over there. Oh my God, the best is coming out as we near our powwow. One more category left right after this. Are we all ready to go, Jason? What do you say, big boy? Song number two, High Noon contest time. about that, people? A nice round of applause here. Our men's chicken dance category, second song. Thank you, High Noon. That's how we do it here in Brandon, Manitoba, Canada. Good job. That was your final. Hey, you guys, settle down there before you go into that pot. Awesome, guys. Scare hump, boy. Men traditional dancers, make your way into